Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to blow balloon without blowing. So we are going to learn about chemical reaction, gas formation and carbon dioxide. So we needed a bottle, vinegar, baking soda and a balloon. So first take the vinegar and fuel it inside the bottle. Next, put the baking soda inside the balloon. Next, fix the balloon at the mouth of the bottle. Sure that the baking soda is still inside the balloon. Do you think the balloon will glow? So, lift the balloon gently. Let's learn the science behind it. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they react with each other. So, they form a gas which is called carbon dioxide. So, the gas needs space. So, it goes up into the balloon. The balloon glows. The balloon is not the magic. The vinegar and baking soda, it reacts with each other is the science. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.